All right, so today we are out here. Sherry's buying a new bike. For those of you who don't know Sherry's the guy behind the camera. He appears in the vlogs a lot of the times, so you might know him. So today he's buying his dream bike. He is really into bikes and he's been working really hard. And he's been telling me since day one, he's been talking to me about this bike since day one that I've met him. And I'm really happy that he's finally in a position that he wants to buy this bike, and really glad for him. Let's go in, let's get this sorted, see how it goes.
Okay, we are here at this motorbike shop and I'm going to get my bike that I've been dreaming about for ages, and I've been wanting this bike for a very long time, and today is the day that I'm going to get this bike and I'm very excited.
I think I'm the only vlogger who's never vlogged like this ever before, right?
Yeah.
It's very weird.
Oh, there she is. There she is.
Is it this?
Yeah.
Dude.
I have no words. She's a beauty. I have a lot of plans for the bike. All right, here she is. Look at her. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you Yamaha R15 2018 V3. It's definitely one of the most beautiful bikes I ever owned. What I really love the most about this bike are the headlamps. The headlamps look absolutely sexy. The bike almost looks like R1. It is really beautiful. Couple of days riding this bike on the street, it is definitely turning the heads of the people, and it's just simply beautiful. It definitely gives you kind of like a sport bike feeling, of course, because it is a sport bike. You get the feeling that you are riding a super bike because the way you're sitting, and not to mention cornering. Cornering in this bad boy is a different level. It's amazing. I'm 182 centimeters and this is perfect for me. I used to bend my legs when I was sitting in FZ because it's a lowered bike, and this bike is perfect for my height. I can reach 130 to 140 easy, sometimes without even noticing it. So it's crazy, it's definitely powerful. So anyways, this was my dream bike for quite a while now, and it's definitely the most beautiful bike I ever owned so far, and I'm really excited. I have a lot of plans for this bike. I have to change the exhaust for sure because it's too silent for me. So I'm gonna change the exhaust, I'm gonna change the tires, I'm gonna do a lot of stuff with it, and hopefully gonna make some videos.
All right, so it's another day. Sherry's gonna come over, show me the new bike, show me what he's done to it and how it rides and everything. The other day we were just taking delivery. Excited to see the bike. It looks sick from the pictures he showed me. So
Hey, what's up?
hey bro, cool bike, man. Bro, this is so cool. This is such an upgrade. Congrats, man.
Thank you. It's very stable on the road. It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's a very good bike.
I bet, man. The tires, man. The forks, whatever you call them on bikes.
I know, right?
Yeah. What are you gonna do to this?
I have a lot of plans for this bike.
All right.
First of all, I'm gonna change the tires because these tires may look good, but they're actually not. They're heavy tires.
Okay.
So I'm gonna change them to something sporty so I can take corners with confidence.
Okay.
And after that, come here, let me show you. You see that right there? This ugly little thing? I wanna cut that off, and I'm gonna put another flash guard over here.
Okay.
So that this ugly little thing goes away, and then I'm gonna move these blinkers over here. So that's gonna make the bike completely, like, it's gonna make it a lot better.
Nice.
And then I'm gonna do something about the exhaust.
Yes,
Because right now
you're an
like
electric
this.
bike. Electric bike. Yeah, nice.
Sounds like somebody's farting and has
yeah.
diarrhea.
Yeah, no.
So, I think I'm gonna paint the rims to the same color as the forks. So I want my rims to be the same color as these.
Yeah.
So yeah, it should look sick.
Okay. So guys, Sherry is getting a nice rim job, hopefully soon.
Yeah.
We are gonna watch that on the channel. He's gonna be editing it. All right, if you guys want to see more bike content and more content with this bike specifically, make sure to let me know down below in the comments. Also follow Sherry, let's upload it. He has like 400,000 subscribers, so there's no need for me to shout him out. But so make sure to follow him. He's gonna do a lot of bike content and he does a lot of travel content, and he's the guy behind the camera.
Hell
Yeah. So if you like the video, the like button, share it with anyone who likes bikes, and hopefully we are gonna see a lot more of that on the channel very soon. See you guys in the next one.
Peace.
Please don't put this in.
I'm gonna put this in.
Put the part when I said don't put this in.
I'll put that in as well.